This is how you set up a portable golf simulator.
Hey everybody, if you are interested in joining a golf sim business community, then this is the page for you. If you are wondering if a golf sim business is something that is right for you, this is going to be the page for you. If you've already started and you're just looking for a community to kind of bounce ideas off of or learn new things from, this is the community for you. So whether you're started already and you're already running, or if you're just thinking about getting started, this community is going to be great for you. So let me just run down what is included with this community, and then I'll give you a little quick snippet of what the community looks like. And if you're watching this on YouTube, I will leave the link below to this community so you can check it out as well. So this is it. We have the complete community to start, grow, and or scale your golf sim business. Inside, there is a 40-lesson course that's going to be a perfect way for you to either start or relearn your business based off of real information from our Discord and Skool communities. Like it's all pulled from conversations that we're having. So it's tips and tricks and standard procedures, templates in there, all different types of information that it's just perfect for somebody who's just getting started or is struggling with getting the ball rolling. There's also within that community, I periodically will create some mini courses that take 10 minutes to go through. That's also in there as well. There's probably 4 or 5 of them in there now, but I add them not weekly, but maybe bi-weekly and monthly. Definitely, you'll have new little courses in there just to learn some new little tricks and tips on the community, on the business side of things. You also have the community of like-minded people, all entrepreneurs who are starting or running this business just like you. So that is invaluable to have people to bounce ideas off of, as I said earlier. And then you can ask any questions you want. You have full direct access to me with this $9 sign up. You can send a question directly to me in a direct message, or you can send a question to the whole group in the community chat. And usually I see that first. And if I have an answer for you, I will get right on it within an hour. And if it's something that I'm not comfortable answering, or I think somebody else is better suited, I will tag them in that answer. And then they'll jump on and help you out. So that's kind of how the chat works there. And then also people will just chime in if they think that they can help as well. And then what else you get? You get the monthly newsletter every month. At the beginning of the month, I send a newsletter out just recapping everything that we talked about in Skool and Discord, which it's another layer of membership. It's $29 a month, but with the $9 a month, you do get a sneak peek of what we talk about in that Discord as well. And then you can decide whether or not that's something you want to enter later, or you can just join right away. And then with that $29 membership, you can see it here. With that $29 membership, you do get full access to Skool, all the things you get with the $9, but you also get the Discord. You still get the newsletter, and then you get your business listed on our personal network on our page, our website, which we drive traffic to every single month, middle of the month. So tomorrow or the next day, we'll run an ad to our network listings, which is basically sending traffic to your website. And on average, each website gets about 25 to 35 clicks directly to their website. And we have people in our community actually confirmed that they've gotten jobs from that listing directly. Here's what the community looks like. I'm running out of time here, but I want to keep this to 5 minutes. But here's the welcome. We have a group chat where we just kind of shoot the breeze. Here are some recent conversations. We send polls off where people can vote. We also, with the community, you're going to have some sponsorship opportunities with different businesses because as a community, we're stronger as a community, and we carry some leverage there. So we're starting to use that. I'm really sorry. So these are just really recent questions. If you guys had any questions, feel free to reach out in the comment section.